Good morning, fellows and fellowettes. It is 5:30 in the morning, Sunday. It is nasty out. It's raining and icing. We have a big ice storm slash rainstorm. It is nasty out. Today we are goose hunting. You might notice this field, recognize it from when Flair was here. It was the really killer field. We got permission on that field again, and buddy Nate is bringing his A-frame blinds, so it's kind of going to be like the last video, nice and comfortable in a layout blind. I'm going to take that little heater. Well, actually, let's hope it's nice because it is nasty outside. I mean, I can see puddles dripping and water, and I hope we can even get in the field. So this might be pretty entertaining. But tag along. Let's see what we can get out of this nasty, dreary, cold, wet day. Man, I just don't know about this. It is nasty out. I don't even know if we're going to be able to get into the field. It's raining. There's already a layer of ice. Projected to get like a ½ inch to an inch of ice over the day today and over last night. We're going to, I guess, run over to Wade's and see what everybody thinks. If nothing else, I'll come back home and go to bed. Here they come. Here's their path.
Need little holes right here.
Yeah. We might have. What the fuck? They want over here. Oh, look at them. Coming back hard. Here we go, baby.
Are they sitting there?
Get ready to bust them when they come over. Kill him! Yeah! We killed him.
If you're gonna shoot that, I let him go and let him go. And then got two walkers.
Alright.
Nice! So I was like, alright, I'll shoot him.
The old ratchet gun shot them all.
That wasn't bad.
Nope.
Oh, hey!
Another stream coming.
That's a big group coming.
How many did we kill?
4, 5.
Just two.
There's 2 there.
They look interesting.
Maybe they'll bring a big ball.
Kill his ass.
Alright, there's some 2 more.
Yeah, buddy.
Those other 2 are bowed up.
Be alright.
We got groups coming too.
Look at that dog. Look at him. It's a warrior dog.
I think we must be right on the edge of that storm now.
Oh yeah, we are. It's definitely closing in. We are about to get iced out.
The cancer sticks are getting to me. It's sucking in smoke.
Oh, we should have shot right there. Call it. Call it.
Take them!
Tried going over your head. Did it hurt?
It wasn't bad.
I couldn't shoot. I was gonna hold
Yeah, I was over here. I had to shoot over their head.
backwards. Right there.
It worked.
Four will get it. Yeah. Good job, Tucker. You let one get away. Hey, get in. Grab it.
Yes, sir.
You're already set up.
Oh, where are they at? They're way out. Yeah, I was thinking about shooting right then you ducked down. I'm like, okay.
Here.
Hey, at least we don't have
It
like
is
50
soaking wet. You soaked?
Go get the truck. And don't eat all my donuts on your way back.
Tucker has to get the truck.
Nate has to get mine.
This is a bad time to tell you I locked the keys inside.
Yeah,
I got more beat up trying to keep
What's the
Wade out of a
road
fight one night than the guy that he was pissed
I
at.
bet motherfucker could beat some ass.
That ain't no shit. So as you can tell, it is nasty, wet, raining bad. We got more on the way. We're gonna pick up. We tried. We shot about 6, 7, 8 geese. I will wrap this back up at the house. We're gonna get picked up here. Hi, Jackson. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Alright, so that was, as you can tell, a nasty hunt. I mean, it got straight up just iced out, rained out, freezing wet. My ass was wet. Everything was wet. I am going to start a little contest. Subscribers and viewers, send me your kill shots. Sorry, it's cold out here. Send me your kill shots. Maybe it's a banded bird. Maybe it's just a huge honker that you're holding up. Maybe it's an 8-man limit. You and your boys sitting behind the birds for that kill shot. But send it to me every week, or maybe every Wednesday, every Sunday. We'll just have to try it out and see how it works. I'll pick the best one. I'll shout you out in it and link your channel if you have one. But I will put my email in the description below. Be sure to send them there. Like I said, every week I'll do this, one time a week. Be sure to put your channel name, your name, maybe where you're from. Just some good attributes to that picture, you know. But all in all, this was a good hunt. It was a wet hunt, but if you guys enjoyed it, I ask you to please smash that thumbs up button, and please subscribe. I'm grinding out here. I'm out here. But I hope you all enjoyed. Have a good one. Peace.